strong winds disrupt Australian state. On the evening of Tuesday, July 5th, gusts of 140 kilometer-per-hour winds hit the state of New South Wales, injuring at least one person, as trees and power lines were brought down and some 24,000 homes were left without electricity. A number of roads were blocked by debris, with passenger trains also halted by fallen trees, suspending railway traffic in some areas until early next week as crews assess damage. The State Emergency Services, meanwhile, responded to 1,700 calls as of Thursday, most relating to fallen trees and roof damage. At Sydney Airport, the strong winds also caused one runway to be closed, with several days of delays for both international and domestic flights. As clean-up efforts commenced on Thursday, the New South Wales government declared a natural disaster zone in the Blue Mountains region, as well as parts of the southern highlands and south coast, where more than 11,000 residents were still without power despite cold temperatures and still high winds. Repair crews had been dispatched throughout the areas to restore service as quickly as possible. We are thankful for the swift and caring efforts of the Australian rescue and other emergency teams. Our prayers for the soon restoration of regular daily life for the storm-affected residents, and that our kinder regard for one another and the environment helps ease such calamities as these.